So there's a few things in here that I'm going to change, and I'll show you why as I go. One of them is it's a little busy in here, so I'm going to move this stuff down as I go, but here's how I would outline this or before I start working on the final. Since the word is experiment, I want the E to be very prominent. So I'm just using the side of the yellow marker to go over this. I don't really want this to interfere here, so I'm going to start the X a little bit shy or shallow, and I'm actually going to take it right off the page just for the fun of it. Then I'm going to go from here down and fill up this area. I'm really trying to concentrate on filling up the page with as much interesting shape and lines as possible. The P is going to kind of stay about where it's at. There's an S turn here. I like the way the marker picks up the pencil. Kind of messes up the marker a little bit, but that's okay. It actually still draws okay. Here's the second E. And because of the activity that's happening in here, there's all kinds of stuff going on over here. I'm going to be very careful. But I like this flow here also from the E to the R. So I'm going to go here and stop that right there. These angles don't have to be exact, but you want to keep them kind of similar in shape. So I'm going to continue this. Instead of going out this way with the R, I'm actually going to continue the R up here and then come down. And again, these are decisions that you can make kind of on the fly as you're lettering these things out. As I said, it's a little crowded in here, so I'm actually going to bring this I down here a little more. And the I is kind of an interesting letter because it looks like a capital I with a dot on it, which is what a lowercase I would look like. I'm going to stop it shy here. For the M, I'm going to bring it up a little bit higher and then really stretch this one and bring it back down, and also run that one off the page. It's okay for our purposes to run them off the page because we're going to be putting this on a larger sheet of paper. Here's the third E. And then I'm going to do a similar thing with the N that I did with the M. In fact, this actually looks like an N right here. These are all decisions that you can make as you're drawing it, and if you want to change things up to make it interesting. Now I don't want to break this here, so I'm actually going to stop the N here. And then again, since there's sort of a rhythm here, I'm going to kind of follow that same rhythm with the T and do a curve like this. And once more, I'm going to take this right off the page. Because this is an experiment. So have fun with it.